Technology is evolving at a rapid pace. Technology trend is changing over the time. Technology changes in every 2 to 3 years. So as a student or as a professional, you need to keep track of new technologies and learn them. In the last few years, due to pandemic, due to inflation, there is changing dynamic in the technology. So you should target learning new technologies. So in this video, we are going to talk about 5 technologies you need to keep your eye on. Fifth in the list is blockchain. You might have heard about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The technology behind it is blockchain. It implements decentralized system where transactions are recorded over a ledger. It is bringing revolution in banking, healthcare, and even politics. It helps to maintain transparency as it makes difficult or impossible to change or hack the system. It is mainly trending due to smart contract which speed ups the transaction, immutable records where no one can tamper or change the transaction, and decentralized system. So it provides greater trust, greater efficiency, and more security. To learn blockchain, you need to know the basics of networking, cryptography, and some programming. Fourth in the list is Robotics and Automation. Robotics is the field that combines engineering and computer science to design and build robots to perform certain tasks. And automation is the process that uses software, machines, or other technology to carry out tasks in place of humans. This technology can be used in the place where human cannot work. It also speeds up the tasks, saving us time, and basically make human life easy. So basically in robotics and automation, you create a hardware device to perform certain tasks using programming. To get started, you can start with Arduino board, where you can write code using C language, and then move on to mini computer like Raspberry Pi, where you can code in Python and perform certain tasks, and then eventually move into other microprocessors. Third in the list is IoT or Internet of Things. IoT means connecting devices to the internet. IoT has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars to the internet, and access data over the internet. Due to IoT, we can lock our door automatically, start our oven when we are on the way to our home, and track our fitness via Fitbits, etc. This technology also combines software and hardware as in robotics and automation. Here, to get started, you can get started with a board called Node MCU, which has inbuilt Wi-Fi module, and then switch into other processor and modules. Second in the list is cybersecurity. Cyber attacks and data breaches are increasing day by day. Businesses are continuously looking for cybersecurity experts to join their team to protect their business from attacks and breaches. A report from McAfee estimates that global cybersecurity crime are now more than $1 trillion. There aren't enough educated and qualified cybersecurity experts. So to get started in cybersecurity, you need to have good knowledge in networking, some knowledge of Linux, virtualization, etc. Before going to the first one, I have one honorable mention, and it is UI UX design. User experience design is the process of defining the experience user will go through when interacting with a digital product. UX designers are responsible for making sure that technology is user-friendly, whether it is font size or changing the color themes. Some of the skills you require for UX designs are conducting market and audience research, creating user personas, designing wireframes, and carry out testing. It is a vast and fascinating field. It can make or break the success of a company or a brand. So if you want to learn UI UX design, you can get started with learning design tools like Figma. And first in the list is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning and artificial intelligence have become a huge part of our lives, whether it is chatbot or image recognition, voice recognition, smartphone assistants, etc. It is used by hospital to analyze their patient details and used by e-commerce company to understand user behavior and patterns. It is predicted that AI market will grow to $190 billion by 2025. So it is never a bad idea to learn about artificial intelligence and data science or machine learning. To get started, you can first learn Python programming language, then move into modules like NumPy, Pandas, and eventually move to libraries like sklearn and TensorFlow for using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. So these are the list of 5 technologies you can consider learning in 2023. But if you are a beginner just starting out to code, then your first priority should be coding. Programming is core for any technology, whether it is blockchain, machine learning, robotics, robotics, or IoT. But yes, if you are interested in UI UX design and cybersecurity, programming is not the topmost priority for this technology, but it is good to have basic knowledge of programming in those technologies as well. So if you are starting out, first focus on learning a programming language, learn its concept like loop, functions, conditionals, classes, etc. Build some projects, and then only move into the technology you are interested in and start learning it. Hope you have a very good year 2023. Which technology are you interested in learning in 2023? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you.